Hi guys. Okay, so probably wondering, where do I get all of my art supplies? Well, a lot of them I had for years. I mean, I've got some of these things are from the 80s, you know. It's like I'm not gonna throw them away. They're still good. I love art supplies. So I've got this pretty huge collection going in my studio here. But when I do go to buy an art supply, the majority of the time I actually get it from Amazon. Now, you can get them from, you know, Dick Blick and Michaels and Hobby Lobby and a lot of other places, but I do tend to, it's easy. I just kind of pop it in my cart. It remembers my orders from before. It's quick. So that tends to be where I get it from. And I do have an affiliate store. So you can see a lot of the videos I'll say, hey, check out my Amazon link, and I'm going to explain, you know, where it is. I make these little collage pages up inside the, in my store, and it'll show you like I did one just recently on pastel pencils. So it's going to show all the different pastel pencils that I do like to use. So you can kind of check it out from there, and you might say, oh, that's the one that was, you know, just in the video. Or, you know, pick a different brand to compare it to. So it's very helpful, and it's helpful to me too. The way affiliate programs work, I'm not sure if you're familiar with them, probably a lot of people are, but they don't cost you any more. What it is the companies give the, you know, the influencers, the individuals, a little commission to help send the buyer to them. So we get just a little bit of the sale, not much, but just a little bit. And usually it's pretty quick. So like when you put it in your cart, I think it's within like 2 days, that if you purchase it from Amazon, then we get the credit for it. So we do appreciate that, you know, when people follow affiliate links, that they get it from us. And it's helpful for the channel. It helps, you know, keep things going. And I do like to tell you when I've used one and I've gotten it from there, so it's easy for you to follow through it and grab it if you want to. Especially if you want to like rewatch the video and do the exercise along with me, then you'll know what we're all using. So just a little thing, that is where I get my art supplies. Thanks. Bye-bye.